Hey guys, I just got my daughter this Play-Doh Kitchen Creations pizza oven play set. She's really excited about it. What made you pick this one over other Play-Doh Kitchen Creation sets that we saw?
Because I love pizza and it looked cute.
Oh, well, those are two good reasons. So let's get it open and check out what's actually on the inside. It comes with two mini Play-Dohs, pink and white, a green Play-Doh, a red Play-Doh, and a brown Play-Doh, as well as a tri-color Play-Doh right here. A pizza roller that actually rolls, a spatula for picking up pizza by the slice, a spatula for taking the pizzas out of the oven, a cheese grater with two sides for shredding, and one piece for making larger cheese slices, a cardboard pizza box, a Play-Doh impression maker that also acts like its own plate, a pizza roller, another Play-Doh impression maker that also acts as a plate, and then a series of pieces here that you put together to make the actual pizza oven. And to make the oven, you just take these two pieces right here and slide in this piece. Then you add this piece on top of this one here. And then you take the arch here and you'll see that it has little tabs that will fit into these slots here. And that's easy to connect just by pushing them together. Then you take this completed piece and snap it into the base by easily pressing down like this.
First, we take the red piece, push it down until it clicks, push down on the yellow piece, and let it go.
And here we can see her actually making the pizza using the rolling pin here to flatten it out, making it down to size, and then putting it into the oven. You can see how it presses the dough here, and then it lets it snap out and spin like that in a cool action. Then she cuts the dough down to size, she shreds the cheese, makes her toppings, in this case pepperoni, and then serves it up to me. Yummy!